in an interview, you have a doctor in the house, please? Doctor? Yeah, take your time, please. Take your time. We have all the time. These are great people. They wait so long, hours and hours. They're great people, right? We have all the time, right? Take your time, doctor. Take your time. She looks great. She looks great. It's Dr. Oz. Can you believe it? Dr. Oz. Wow. He's a good doctor. Thank you, Oz. Thank you, everybody. Great job. Thank you.